Okay, you guys, get ready with me to wax my face. Of course, Crybaby wax. I'm going to show you guys the wax that I'm using. So I had the mango, but they sent me the sensitive one. This is coconut. Now, if you're allergic to coconut, you can still use the mango, but this one is for sensitive skin. We're going to give her a try. And again, something really cool about this wax pot, you guys, you just take the silicone mold out. Okay, hold on. I took the silicone mold out, and then I took the rest of the mango wax out. Now, I want to give the coconut a fair try on its own, so that's why I took this out. But yeah, this is reusable. After I'm done, I'm going to throw this back in there, but I just wanted to show that to you guys. Super cool. Gonna turn our wax pot on. I'm gonna turn mine up to 180 first to get it really hot, and then I'm gonna turn it back down. It's red now, but once it turns green, it'll be ready. Okay, you guys, so this part is me saying pretty much that my wax was at 120 degrees. You guys, this coconut wax is so good. It goes on so smooth, and I feel like you can pull it for such a long time, and it really is great for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin. The first rip hurts you guys. I'm gonna post bloopers of this wax video because I don't know if it was because I had just got off my period, but the pain was super intense. But the first rip always hurt so bad. This one was causing me so much pain, but we got it done. Okay, we got it done. Look at that. Look at that. It pulls out so much hair. Okay. Like I said, this wax, the coconut wax, I feel is smoother than the mango. The mango is great, but the coconut one I think is smoother. And I know that there's makeup on my face. Don't be alarmed. I made sure to take the makeup off in the areas where I waxed. I got a little bit too much dip on my chip with that one. Okay. I got a little too happy. There was too much wax on that one, but I smoothed it out. It was all good, all Gucci. The sides don't hurt too bad. Right, like the sides are fine. The sides are good. I know I'm holding my tongue. I'm holding it taut. Okay, I'm damn near choking myself because you guys be telling me in the comments that I don't listen. Okay, but I'm listening. The chin is always a good pull. Takes off a lot of hair. Yeah, the chin's always good. And then, ripping the side. Okay, there was a little bit of makeup on there. Okay, guys, but I was in physical pain because I had to rip. This is the most painful part. I had to rip under the chin. That I had to be a soldier and just thug it out. Okay, I'm gonna show all the strips at the end, you guys. But yeah, we were just waxing and going and waxing and going and going and waxing. That's the last piece I had to rip. Look at all of that, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Crybaby wax is the best wax, you guys. It pulls out every single hair every time.